Making friends, socializing during school breaks. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to focus on a vital part of your school life, socializing during afternoon breaks. These breaks offer a wonderful opportunity to practice your English and interact with your classmates. Let's dive into how to make the most out of these breaks while improving your English language skills. When it comes to socializing, small talk is a great starting point. This involves casual, everyday conversation about non-controversial subjects. It could be about the weather, your favorite music, or just how your day is going. Here are a few phrases you could use. 1. How's your day going? 2. Have you heard the new song by? 3. It looks like it might rain later. Remember, small talk is all about keeping the conversation light and enjoyable. Another common topic during school breaks is, of course, schoolwork. This is a great way to bond with your classmates and also brush up on what you've learned in class. Here are some phrases that could be useful. 1. Did you understand what we learned in math today? 2. I'm having trouble with this assignment. Can you help me? 3. What did you think of today's lecture? Make sure to listen carefully when your classmates answer your questions. It's not only about speaking English, but understanding it too. Inviting your classmates to join in activities is a brilliant way to socialize and build friendships. It could be playing a game, studying together, or maybe going to a movie. Try out these phrases. 1. Would you like to play soccer during the next break? 2. I'm going to the library to study. Would you like to join me? 3. A bunch of us are going to see a movie after school. Would you like to come? Remember, when inviting others, be sure to respect their response, whether they accept or decline. In conclusion, socializing during school breaks is an excellent opportunity to practice your English conversation skills while also enjoying your time with friends. Remember, the goal is to make conversation a regular part of your day while making it as natural as possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an integral part of learning. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at English conversations in no time. Until next time, happy learning!